My Jamaican family, let's recap the week in Jamaican politics and look at some of the topics dominating social media this week. First up, we'll look at Miss Kanisha Burchell, who is the embodiment of the desperation taking over the opposition benches this week. We saw the Member of Parliament for South St. James, Miss Burchell, going all over social media and TV news. She's taking cheap personal swipes at the Speaker of the House, the Most Honorable Juliet Holness. She's adamant that she will not apologize for dragging the Prime Minister marriage relationship into her public dispute and dragging down the political discourse with her apparent attention-seeking behavior. Why is she doing this? Simple. I give you two reasons. She has an obsession with Prime Minister Andrew Holness. She has vivid and colorful fantasies about the bro god. Two, she violated the standing orders in her recent speech. The Speaker held her accountable to the rules of the room. Now, she's carrying a heavy public grievance. She's trying to keep her name trending by dragging our political discourse straight into the dustbin. Let's be clear. Psychoanalysis tells us that when people are fundamentally insecure with their own substance, they use flashy superficial distractions as psychological armor. They try to tear down a strong, elegant woman because they can't match her poise. Listen to me carefully. This is a classic distraction tactic. When a politician has absolutely zero alternative policies for their community, they resort to personal gossip to get views, to get political cheap points. It is exactly like a person who does not know how to cook a decent meal for the family. They just stand in the kitchen banging empty pots and pans loudly, clang, clang, throwing things around, giving the impression that they're busy at cooking. They make all that noise hoping you won't notice that the plate they are serving you is actually completely empty. But the Jamaican electorate is too smart for cheap public tricks. We are hungry for performance, not performative noise. We are hungry for better, not bitter. Now let's look at issue number 2. The attack on Nara and the CEO distraction. While they are busy gossiping, Captain Andrew Holness is busy governing. This week, the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, NARA, Act officially became law. This is a massive historic climate reconstruction engine built to put roofs back over the heads of Jamaicans following Hurricane Melissa. But guess what? The opposition couldn't wait to run to the microphone to attack it. Instead of talking about the relief for our farmers and the rebuilding of our communities, they are throwing a temper tantrum over the appointment of the new CEO. And by the way, the CEO has served Jamaica with distinction over the years. He's not a foreigner who applied. He's not been given a bly. He's fully qualified for his appointment. They are actually going on television with slick insinuations, whispering to the public that the CEO didn't even apply for the position. Really? Look at the depth of their desperation. They want to turn a serious national reconstruction drive into an office gossip session. They want to tie up vital emergency relief in endless bureaucracy, red tape, and human resource arguments, all because they want to score a cheap headline over a job application. They love to tell you that the government's economic growth is just paper talk. But let's smash that lie right now with basic common sense. If the foundation of your house is completely rotten, the structure is going to collapse the minute the first rain falls. Because Andrew Holness and his team paid down the national debt, poured a solid financial foundation, the walls held when Beryl and Melissa hit. That fiscal discipline is exactly why the Ministry of Local Government is pumping direct capital infusion into our parishes today. That is why the Spark program has a massive 40 billion allocation specifically to pave secondary roads and clear local lanes. The money is there. The asphalt is mixing. We didn't build a paper foundation. We poured solid Jamaican concrete. While the people are waiting for the concrete mixers and the roofing materials, the opposition is busy playing HR manager, trying to hold back disaster relief for vulnerable Jamaicans over petty, unverified rumors. They treat a national crisis like a political game of poker. So my friends, the choice this weekend is crystal clear. Do you want the politicians standing in the media mud making a circus out of our democracy? Or do you want the master builder who is modernizing our hospitals, giving free hard training to our youth, and protecting our farmers? They gossip while he governs. Drop a comment below and tell me if you prefer empty pots or solid concrete. Share this video, keep energized, and let's keep moving Jamaica steadily forward. Bless up and walk good, Jamaica. Have a safe and bright weekend.